Dear friends, today we will review the book You Can Win, written by the Shiv Khera, Best International Book. Topic is goal setting. Great mind have purpose, other have wishes. People confuse goal with the dreams and wishes. Dreams and wishes are nothing more than the desire. Desire are weak. Desire becomes strong when they are supported by direction, dedication, determination, discipline, deadlines. These are the way what differentiate a desire from the goal. Goals are with the deadlines and an action plan. Goals can be worthy or unworthy. It is passion, not wishing, that turns dream into the reality. A step to turn a dream into the reality. Have a definite, clear written goal. Have a plan to accomplish and write it down. Read the first two twice a day. Why do not more people set the goal? The men who try to do something and fail are infinitely better than those who try to do is nothing to be success. A permissive attitude, looking for the pitfalls rather than the possibilities. Fear of failure, thinking what if I do not make it. People feel subconsciously that if they do not set the goal, they cannot fail. But they are failure never, the less for having no goal in the sign of failure. Fear of success, low self-image, or fear of having to live up to their success cause some people to fear success. A lack of ambition, a lack of result of our system, value system, and lack of desire to live a fulfilled life. Our limited thinking prevent us from the progress. There was a fisherman who every time he caught a big fish would throw it back into the river, keeping only the smaller ones. A man watching this unusual behavior asked the fisherman why he was doing this. The fisherman replied, because I have a small frying pan. Most people never make it in the life because they are carrying a small frying pan. That is the limited thinking. A fear of rejection, worrying that if I do not make it, what will other people say? Procrastination, thinking someday I will set my goal. This ties it with the lack of ambition. Low self-esteem, because a person is not the internally driven, has no inspiration. Ignorance of the importance of goal. Nobody taught them and they never learned the importance of goal setting. A lack of knowledge about the goal setting. People do not know the mechanism of setting goal. They need a step-by-step guide so that they can follow the system. Goal setting is a series of steps. What you buy when you buy a plane ticket, what does it say? Starting point, destination, class of travels, price, starting date, expire date. If you ask most people what is their one major objective in life, they would probably give you vague answers such as I want to be successful, be happy, making a good living, and that is it. Those are all wishes and none of them are clear goal. Goal must be smart. Smart S for specific, M for must be, A stand for achievable, R for realistic, and T for mm, time bounding. Specific. The statement I want to lose weight is a wishful thinking. It become a goal when you pin yourself down. I will lose 10 kg in 90 days. M must be measurable. If you cannot measure it, you cannot accomplish it. Measure is a way of monitoring your progress. Achievable. Achievable means that your goal should be challenging, but it should not be out to reach or the pursuit of your goal. Become the disheartening or realistic. If your goal is to lose 10 kg in 30 days, you are being unrealistic. Time. bounding. You should be start date and a finishing date to reach your goal. Goals can be short term, mid-term or long-term. Short-term for 1 year, mid-term for 3 years, long-term for 5 years. Goals can be longer than the 5 years must, but then they become a purpose of life. And having a purpose is a very important. Without a purpose, you are likely to develop tunnel vision, where you are obsessed only with the achieving your goals. Goals are more easily achieved if they are broken into the small ones. Life is hard by the yard, but by the inch is a cinch. Goal must be balanced. Our life is like a wheel of six spokes. Family. Our loved ones are the reason to live and make a living. Financial represent our career and the things that money can buy. Physical, without your health, nothing makes sense. Mental, this represent knowledge and wisdom. Social, every individual and organization has social responsibility without which society start dying. Spiritual, your value become represent either an ethics and character. If you if any of this spoke is out of alignment, your life goes out of balance. Take a few minutes to just consider if any one of these six spoke are were missing, what would your life be like? Balance. What happened to them for always make balance between your personal life and social life. Each goal must be evaluated in the light of the following. Is it the truth? Is it fair to all concerned? Will it give me goodwill? Will it give me health, wealth, and peace of mind? It is consistent with my other goals. Can I commit myself to do it? These are the following example. uh, Goals should be consistent with other values. Goal lead to purpose in life. It is the starting point for success. Aim for the moon. Even if you miss, you will become one of the star. Obstacles are those frightful things when you see when you take your eyes off your goal. All of us in the world having a purpose in life, and that purpose of course varies from person to person. An orchestra would be pretty dull is if everyone played is the same instrument. Make no little plans, they have no magic to stir men blood. Make big plan, aim high in hope, and work on it. It does not matter when we are where we are. What really matters is in what direction we are heading. Efforts and courage without purpose is wasted. Worrying leads to the negative goal setting. Is it thinking about the thing that you do not want to happen? Activity is not the same as the accomplishment. Do not confuse motion and progress. A rocking horse keeps moving the but does not make any progress. There is a difference between a activity and accomplishment. This was demonstrated by the French scientist named Faber. He conducted an experiment with the processly caterpillar. The caterpillar instinctively followed the one in front of them. Faber arranged them in a circle on the rim of the flower pot. Thus, the lead caterpillar was behind the last one. Faber put pine needles, food for the caterpillar, in the center of the flower pot. The caterpillar kept traveling around the circle of the pot rim. Eventually, after a week of circle around, they dropped dead of execution and starvation with the food. Only inches away from them, we need to learn a lesson from the caterpillar just because you are doing something. does not mean you are getting anywhere. Anywhere. One must evaluate one activity in order to have accomplishment. A man was out driving with his wife and with the wife said, "Honey, we are going the wrong way." The husband replied, "Who cares? We are making a great time." If we confuse activity and accomplishment, we would to make a great time, but we would not get anywhere. Meaningless goal. A farmer had a dog that used to sit by the roadside waiting for the vehicle to come around. As soon as one of the one of down the road barking and trying to overtake it. One day a neighbor asked the farmer, "Do you think your dog is ever going to catch a car?" The farmer replied, "That is not what bother me. What bother me is what would he do if he ever caught one." Many people in the life behave like that dog that is pursuing meaningless goal. Is that Thank you for listen my video, and please subscribe it, share it, like, share and subscribe it my channel. Thank you for watching my videos.